Wonder Kid Preschool, Wonder Kid Preschool, where I love to learn and play. Wonder Kid Preschool, Wonder Kid Preschool, it all begins with wonder. Hi, hello. Can you see this? Oh, sorry. What you can see are my feet. Yes, feet. Feet. Yeah, today we are going to learn about F, the letter F. The sound it makes is F. Look what I got. Oh, I'm so hungry. I want to eat. What do you eat? I eat food. Food. Oh, this is tofu, my favorite food. Oh, I need something. I need something to help me eat this. Ta-da! Yes, I can use it. Fork. 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 Yum 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 yum. Yummy. Wow. Yum 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 yum. Food and fork start with F. I smell something. It doesn't smell so good. What is it? Ew, what's that?
Oh, I'm fish. Fish.
You smell fish? You smell fishy. Go away.
I'm sorry. I'm going to go back to the kitchen. Oh, your mom is going to fry me.
Oh, I cannot stand the fishy smell. How about something smells good and look beautiful? What is it? I know. Ta-da! Flower. Flower. F. Flower. Oh, isn't it so pretty? I think I'm going to go camping. What do I need to bring if there is a blackout, you know? Aha! This one. You're my flashlight, light. Yes, this is flashlight. Flashlight. Wow, my flashlight is big. Have you got any flashlight? And I know I may not wear anything, but I think I need this. Yeah, on my feet. Ta-da! Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. Do you wear flip flops too? Okay guys, now I think I'm going to go camping. Goodbye. And I want you to show me your things that start with the sound. Okay? Bye-bye.